Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version so the menus match. Once done, go to Settings and check About Phone. Next, open Apps or Security and immediately turn off Install Unknown Apps and the Legacy Unknown Sources toggle. You should also locate and uninstall any third-party app stores or APK downloaders. Make sure to remove their permissions to install apps. These steps stop sideloaded apps at the source and reduce risk, while you continue to lock down the device. Once the unknown sources are off, open Google Play Store and require authentication for purchases and installs, so apps can't be added without your consent. Then, disable auto-update or set updates to Wi-Fi only to prevent automatic installations you didn't expect. Next, examine app install and admin permissions. Revoke device admin rights from unknown apps and remove install permissions from suspicious apps. These controls prevent both stealth installs and privilege escalation, and they give you finer control over what can now lock down access by setting a strong screen lock and enabling screen pinning, guest accounts, or built-in parental controls so others can't change install settings. Install a reputable mobile security app and run a full scan to catch unwanted installers or malicious packages. If an app keeps reappearing, boot into safe mode to prevent third-party apps from running, then uninstall the offending app. If removal fails, factory reset as a last resort, but back up important data first and make sure to secure accounts afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.